Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm new. I am starting an Among Us gaming channel. Um, so I'm just gonna go into a game and I'm just gonna show you how I play right now. So let's just start off with this group. I'm just gonna start off with a group. I'm kind of new to this. I don't really play this game very much. I mean, I do now since it's really fun, but I'm gonna start playing more and I know how to play quite well. So now I'm gonna just tell you guys how to play if you don't know how to play yet. So basically there is okay, let's just wait till they start the game. Basically there is an imposter and there's crewmates. So like the imposter will kill people and um I guess we'll just have to wait and see once they start the game, who the imposter is. Now, if I'm the imposter or if I'm a crewmate. Now here you can just change your look, but there's colors and decorations for your hat, a skin, whatever, but you have to pay for the skin, so. Okay, it will tell you if you're a crewmate or an imposter. I'm a crewmate, so one of these people is an imposter. And I am not the imposter, so if somebody kills me, then that's the end. Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. So I have an Among Us channel and I just wanted to share with you my gaming and stuff. So I'm kind of new to this, but I know how to play. So I just wanted to share with you my first game, showing my first game to you guys. So I've had a few experience playing this, but not very many times. So I'm just gonna try and see what happens. So let's just join this person. Okay, so if you don't know how to play this, I'm basically just going to show you how to play. So here is just getting ready. You can choose your colors and you can pick a an outfit. So I'm just going to wear this. Okay, so now I'm either the imposter or a crewmate. I'm a crewmate. So basically, you just want to try not to get killed, and you also want to find out who the imposter is, and you'll know if they kill you or if oh, someone's already calling emergencies. So I don't know why they did this. We just started. Um, and some people will just tell you who they are. So they just gave away that they were the imposters. So maybe they didn't. I'm just gonna vote black because they're talking about black and I'm gonna just vote what they think. I bet it's not. I bet you. Well, we'll see who it is. Honestly, I think this game is so fun. It's very popular right now, so yeah, it's really fun. And wait. I'm going to go to the spy cameras and watch them through this. But you can get killed if you don't watch it. Oh, I just got killed. See what I mean? I don't think that's a good idea. Well, that just happened. And why can't I move my thing? Oh no. I can't move. Why can't I move? Oh, okay, there we go. There's my body. Ugh. Well, now I can just follow blue. How did they not see it if you're right here? You should be able to see it. Now, you can just do tasks. You have tasks that you do, and blue vented. I bet. Okay, wait. I wonder if anybody saw that. Well, I'm so tired. Now we're just waiting to know. I can't really vote because I'm dead, so yeah. Blue killed me, so I bet everyone's thinking. Okay, wait. Yay! He was the imposter. Woohoo. Okay, well, victory. I'll play one more game and then I'll just show you again. It's really fun. And I got an ad. Okay, there. I'm gonna change my color. I like being brown. This is my favorite outfit. Is being brown and then having a leaf on your head. It's so cute. I really want to be the imposter. The imposter, please. Well, this is my favorite game right now. Also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe and like this video. I just want to have a nice channel, and this is so far all I have. So that'd be nice if you could subscribe and press that notification bell and like. Okay, well, I'm a crewmate. I'm not an imposter, so let's go do a task. Go here. I don't know. Since I'm kind of new, I'm not sure how to get to your tasks. Like, I can't really like find them. Do you have to like look for the tasks? So, look at what they said. There was a dead body somewhere. I'm just gonna say, I don't know. I was doing tasks, and if I butt in, maybe people think I'm suspicious. So I don't know what to. Well, I'm gonna vote red because people think it's red, so it's not brown. I'm leaving. Oops, I voted the wrong person. I'm leaving. That's not me. I really. Apple is an imposter. Well, no imposters left. Shouldn't that mean that we win? Okay, well, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. And I'm new, so I don't know very much about this stuff. I'm using my laptop to record, so it's not really the best. But please like and subscribe. And I got disconnected from the server. Okay, well, bye.